Today we're going over how to create your own bot. To start, you'll need an account. You can register directly on the website or simply log in through the pricing page. There's no difference between the two. You can sign in quickly using GitHub, Facebook, or Google, or you can fill out the registration form manually. If you already have an active subscription, you don't need to do anything extra here. But if you don't, you'll need to select one of the available options. In this example, we'll use the free account. Click on Free Trial, choose your country, and then Continue. Now you'll see that you have one active subscription on the free version. In the subscription section, you'll also notice your license key. This is important because you'll need it in your bot settings inside MetaTrader. The license key links your account number to your subscription. To do that, click on the Action button, choose Edit Account Numbers, and enter your MT4 or MT5 account number in the text field. Save your changes, and you'll see your account number associated with your license. You can update or switch it to another number anytime. Once that's set up, you're ready to create your own bot. Go to the Create and Manage Bot section, then click on Create Own Bot. Start by selecting your trading market. For the free trial, you can choose between Forex and metals. Next, select the bot type, such as multi-level or scalping, and then choose the strategy type, long or short. Continue to the next step, where you'll select your entry point strategy. On the free trial, only the default XAUBOT entry strategy is available, so we'll go with that. From here, you'll fill in your trading preferences. Enter your trading capital, set your preferred drawdown, and review the technical parameters. These parameters are filled with default values provided by the XAUBOT technical team. If you're an experienced trader and want to customize them, you can switch the settings on and enter your own numbers. There's also a news filter available. By default, it's turned off, but if you'd like to prevent your bot from trading during news events, you can enable it here. Finally, give your bot a name and click on Compile. Now build your bot based on all the settings you provided. Once the process is finished, you'll be able to download the MT4 or MT5 version of your new bot and install it on your MetaTrader platform. That's it. You now have your bot ready to go. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is always available and can be found on our website. Thanks so much for watching and learning with us, and as always, happy trading.